She didn't reject you. She just doesn't get attracted to long-term you. She gave you a chance. She laughed at your jokes. She liked the banter, the chemistry, and the spark. But then you started leading with logic. You started talking about values, comfort, long-term compatibility. You told her what you were looking for, what kind of a good guy you are. You tried to show her that you could be a great boyfriend. And that's when she lost all attraction towards you. And most men make this mistake. They lead with what makes them a good partner instead of what makes them wanted. You have to understand, attraction doesn't start in her logical mind. It starts in her body. It's instinctual, primal, and subconscious. She doesn't get turned on by your 5-year plan. She gets turned on by your presence, your polarity, your status, your lifestyle, and your ability to command space and move through a world like a man who's already desired. And that's why when you try to sell her on long-term you, she checks out because she's still deciding if she even likes short-term you. Attraction isn't about compatibility, it's about energy. You can't logic your way into arousal, you have to lead her there. And today in 2025, the battlefield for attraction isn't bars, dating apps, or clubs. It's Instagram. Because Instagram shows her who you really are before you even speak. Your photos, your lifestyle, your stories, your friends, they reveal your value instantly. If your page signals power, social growth, exclusivity, and social proof, she feels it immediately. But if it doesn't, you're dismissed, invisible, irrelevant, and beneath her. You're the nice guy that she appreciates but never desires. She didn't reject you because you said something wrong. She just doesn't get attracted to long-term you, the version of you that leads with comfort instead of tension. She's not looking for your resume. She's looking for your presence, your polarity, for the man who makes her feel something. And when you stop trying to prove your worth and start radiating it through your lifestyle, your Instagram, your energy, you'll notice something wild happens. You stop chasing and they start choosing you. Because attraction isn't about convincing with words, it's about signaling with proof and evidence. So she didn't reject you, she just doesn't get attracted to long-term you. And the moment you understand the difference, everything about your dating life changes.